crispy fried chicken. No oil, no breadcrumbs, no flour of any kind. Can you hear me cutting through it? Oh my goodness. We're getting ready to make the most crispiest fried chicken. And again, no oil, none whatsoever. We are not using any flour, none, not an alternative flour or anything like that. No breadcrumbs, no batter. We are not even using our oven. We are going to use the top of the stove, but you will need a few key things. Grab some tongs. You will need a knife, and it needs to be sharp, so I've got my sharpener out here so I can sharpen my knives. You will need a skillet that is non-stick with a lid. You need a lid. If you do not have a lid, you're going to need to foil or something to cover this with. Key thing, okay? So I am using my HexClad today because it is non-stick, it's large, and I can fit quite a few pieces in it. As far as seasoning goes, salt and pepper and my all-purpose prep seasoning. That's it. And it's going to be amazing. So you see, I don't have my chicken out here. It's in the refrigerator. It needs to be cold and dry. First thing we need to do is prep it. We are going to actually make slits on the other side. Now, my chicken has been in the refrigerator for a couple of hours, air drying. You want it to be as dry as possible. Do you wash your chicken? Do you not wash your chicken? That's up to you. My chicken is washed, cleaned. All the extra stuff I didn't want on there, extra skin, extra fat, has been trimmed off, and it has been in the refrigerator air drying, okay? So I'm gonna take this piece right here and I'm putting another paper towel right over where that was, okay? Actually, I'm going to lift up both of these and turn both of these over where the skin side is down. Now, what we want to do, we're going to make a slit here and a slit here, right along the bone. Do not cut all the way through to the other side, okay? You just want to cut it where you have slits on it so that it will open up and lay flat. That's why you want a good sharp knife so you can make easy cuts and it will open up. See, we're gonna cut all of our chicken like this. You're cutting right alongside of the bone, but we are not cutting all the way through. It should look like that. See the cuts? 1, 2, 3, 4. That's what you want. This is going to allow that chicken to lay flat. You are going to season them. Now on the skin side, all you want is salt and pepper. So we're gonna go in with some of my Pam's Prep all-purpose seasoning just on the backside of each piece, okay? Now, once you start seasoning your chicken, it's crucial that you not waste time. So don't walk away and go do anything else, because if you do, what's going to happen is that salt that we're putting in here is going to start releasing water, all right? You don't have to use salt if you don't want to. You can simply use black pepper. You can use nothing at all, but do not put any herbs or anything like that on the skin side because it will surely burn. Now I'm just going to rub it in just a little bit. Now we're going to flip it over, flip each piece over. And if your chicken still seems like it's not quite dry, go ahead and pat it one more time. Now I'm just going to salt real quickly. Salt and pepper to your taste, however much you feel you want on your chicken. Place your chicken in the skillet, skin side down, making sure it's laying flat, okay? Make sure each piece is laying flat. Start in a cold skillet. Once I turn my stove on, cover that skillet. And it's really good if you have a skillet with a top on it that is clear, because you're gonna wanna peek, okay? But please do not lift this up. We're gonna cook this for approximately 10 minutes. The full instructions will be on my website, pamspreps.com, along with my seasoning, okay? So let's give this 10 minutes and we'll be back. Okay, you guys hear that? That's my kitchen timer going off, okay? Yes, I set a kitchen timer, all right? So now, what you want to do at the end of that 10 minutes is remove the top, okay? Remove it away from you because of the steam. Let this continue to cook just like this for another 10 minutes, okay? So we set our timer again. Don't touch it, don't turn it over, don't do anything, just continue to let it cook. We are at the next 10-minute mark, so now we want to go in and flip the chicken over, okay? Flip it over. I want you all to see this up close. See how nice and crispy that skin is? So we want to just flip it over and let it continue to cook on the other side until it's completely cooked through. If you're not sure when your chicken is done, you can always grab an instant read thermometer like this and check it. It will register to stick it insert your thermometer in the chicken near the bone, but not touching the bone. I'm just going to put it in. And as you see, we're at 163, so we only have a couple more minutes to go. See, the other side is nice and crispy too. Look at that glistening. Doesn't that look delicious? And before we do our taste test, I just want you all to see how crispy this is. Listen up, guys. Listen. How crispy that is? Oh my goodness. Crispy fried chicken. No oil, no breadcrumbs, no flour of any kind. No batter. Quick and easy. Can you hear me cutting through it? Oh my goodness. Delicious. I will see you all next time. The good Lord willing and the creek don't rise. Bye-bye.